Well, the Bixler 2 drone with no cameras, no OSD, our telemetry radio is working perfectly. Everything else is working perfectly, except for the flaps. I ended up just disabling the flaps. They do go down a little bit when it powers up, just some servo jitter or something. But I can pull them back up and hope they stay. Other than that, everything is ready to go with the Bixler, which I think is my best bet to throw in the sky first. I don't care about it. I won't be nervous throwing it in the air. It would only be a fun flight. Throwing the Mini Talon in the air is going to be an anxious moment for me no matter what. But throwing this into the air first will be just a great celebration that it was the first drone airplane I ever built and the first drone airplane I ever successfully flied. Camera, no video transmitter, whatever. Now the major problem for me right now is Futaba transmitter batteries. I've got 3 of them here in unknown states right now. Got to clean up this table. Charging, and they're charging on these old Futaba brick type power supply chargers that are only 250 milliwatt. It's going to take a while. I could charge them on the big charger. I think I have leads up here for those particular connectors. Maybe not. I think that's a secondary lead I had to make up at one point. Yeah, I think that one right there would charge those batteries. But they are actually Futaba batteries. And those are Futaba chargers over there. It takes about 16 hours to charge these darn things. I don't know how good they're going to be. I'm going to have to massage them, as we say. Charge them up, drain them down, see how well they perform. Do they charge up slow? Do they charge up fast? Do they drain fast? That's my holdup right now is I was trying to decide if I could put the Easy UHF on the TX16S. So right now, my problem is transmitter batteries. So I think I'm going to postpone the flight, but I am 98% sure I'm going to put this Bixler in the air first. Let me see if I got a cockpit for it. Wow, that's funny. I've got a spare wing, a spare rudder, and also a spare elevator for the Bixler. And I've got a canopy. So old, can't see it under this white light, so old that it's starting, the plastic's starting to yellow. You probably over here, you might be able to see it. How about that? Yeah, you can see it against the white background where the canopy's starting to yellow. How about that? It's the way my life's always been. Frequently, everything comes together at the last minute. Decisions I can't make force themselves upon me at the last minute. I just have to go along for the ride, it seems. So, it's about 10 o'clock. Oops, no. It's about 10:40. Okay, 10:49. It's about 11 o'clock, which is about 5 hours before my normal bedtime. I am not going to get these batteries for this transmitter charged tonight. And this was kind of a hard 2 hours or so getting the Bixler back in flight worthy status. I've got batteries to charge for the Mini Talon. I've got batteries to charge for the Bixler. I've got a CG to set for the Bixler, which without those big old cameras on the front and that pan and tilt might be, I might be able to put 2 batteries in there and fly it even longer. Who knows? So with all that to do, I am not going to really be ready to fly tomorrow. And there's reasons that Monday won't work either. Other than that, I have to talk to those who are going to help me and see, because they work Monday through Friday, not like me. The Bixler, this is so easy to fly, etc., etc. I may just go throw this in the air all by myself. There's just nothing to it. So I've got a doctor's appointment Monday. I think that's pretty early, 10 o'clock or so. So we'll see. It's going to be real soon. And I think the changes that happened today are all for the better and going to be best overall and going to be most fun for me. I guess I can do this with the Bixler right now, sort of. And from 2014 to now, have a big red bow, my friend. Thank you, guys. I'm going to do some relaxing. It's been a hard day.